this end on that end, and no. Yo, why wouldn't you not cover your mouth? Did you see that? Look, yo, that was gross. I am honestly grossed out right now.
I'm sorry.
Did you see that?
I'm sorry.
It shot out, bro. You know when you go down a slide and it hits that psh, and all the foam?
I'm sorry.
Yo, he didn't even bother. He just shot it out like a snake venom. Just,
Hey!
No apology.
Let me apologize.
It was so, oh my God.
You're the spitty dinosaur from Jurassic Park.
Hey, I was trying to do a bit. I really wanted to be loud as I could.